The initial reason I contacted SumZero was for a new install of a electric heat pump to replace my current air conditioner and furnace. I contacted several companies. I eventually went with SumZero. My overall experience was great. They came out to my house, made several recommendations, and then afterwards they came back to check on the install. The person who came out to conduct the on-site quote, he was very knowledgeable. He knew everything and answered every question that I had. The customer service is great. The prices that they quoted were very competitive with other people. The work that got done is impeccable. They follow through on all the work that they do and are available for any questions that I might have throughout the entire process, including after the project has been done.